So let's look at Goodreader and how you can manage your files in Goodreader. Right now you're looking at my Goodreader account, and I actually want to manage my files. I know I'm going to have to read a bunch of articles, and so I want to put them all in one folder. To manage files, you need to tap the Manage Files icon in the top right hand corner. So I'm going to tap Manage Files. And when I do that, I get a couple of things I can do, and one is create a new folder, which is about the middle of the page in the black side. So I'm going to tap New Folder, and I'm going to title it. There we go. And now documents that I pull in, I can put into that English seminar folder. And that's how to manage folders and files in Goodreader.